does not look good.
I don't know. Daddy said it might be in the car. Ta-da! Good job. There's a bathroom down there. It's our spot, 45. Hi, guys. Hi.
Hello, guys.
This is number 45. It's a video.
You want Denny?
It's a video.
So let me show you around.
It's not Granny.
The fire pit.
And a cigarette.
The table where we have the grill. Ooh, very hot. Then we have our tent.
It was a little messy around here. A little bit of garbage we gotta clean up.
Yep.
That cigarette that was in there. Haven't cleaned it up yet. Just finished setting up.
Those are people.
It wasn't us.
And then we got this right over here.
There's troublemaker over here. We're across from dogs, so it'll be a noisy time.
And then
I had the bathroom down there. We're 45. It's a lot of kids. Kids and dogs. A lot of people. See the water down there?
Mom.
You guys are allowed to.
Me too.
Veggie dogs and meat ones
Huh?
for Carlos. Right, Buster?
Wait, Toto.
Look at that night, shakity shy, it's a time to run a lot. Look at that night, break, I feel. Come on, Loki, here you go.
What do we do? He's hiding on the
Come on, Lucas.
table. Now the band all down. Oh, don't you got that?
There you go.
See that?
Look at that tonight.
I don't Danny.
Different sizes.
Mom, that's when you invite people. What? Oh yeah, invite people. And would they not
There you
be
go.
done? Yeah, have like 100 different.
Shabbat shalom.
Sure.
Shabbat shalom. Water looks beautiful over there. What?
You guys over there. I'm right now.
Wow. Beautiful water.
Wow. What is this here? You definitely had a hide your head.
Sounds nice.
Is that a head? Is that a head?
Happy to see we're about to ride off the road into the water. It's a tiny road.
Mom hit a horse. I will hate people. I need to hate you again. I really don't know.
Not right now. Want to shine it? Can't see anything.
Oh, the higher.
I don't know. It could be deep.
The higher water.
The shot, I can see all the rocks. And
Yeah, I got a wall.
fresh water though, super clear.
It's beautiful.
But the boat not went too deep. We don't have the boat. Check it out.
Tomorrow.
Is that people me?
Nighttime walk in the woods. See what we find.
Lucas is looking underneath. Lucas, just hurry up and finish. Did you root? Oh,
Yeah.
that was hell. Oh, we won't see that. We won't see that. I think that was from firewood.
They don't want you burning any wood from here anyway.
Oh?
You're not allowed to burn the sticks.
Okay.
Any campsite in Connecticut. Can you make your light bigger?
Mom, want to go down?
No.
I want to.
When we go fishing tomorrow.
I'd be.
Don't go next to that.
Got a mini wheelpool. Oh, a mini wheelpool.
That's cool.
I put a mini whirlpool.
Well, this is a really nice spot. Sit on the rock.
Yeah, I want to
Fish.
Wait, why the hell? I got hard hit. That the people getting and reaching
Saw a fish?
Saw a fish that people have on YouTube.
That's crazy bugs.
Well, people have real brains on YouTube videos.
Oh my gosh. Is it fireworks? Mm-hmm. At least it's not lightning.
I'm happy.
What'd you say?
I'm happy and not lightning.
Oops, I stuck you with the sticks. You think somebody's in there? Trying to light?
You can't have nobody in there.
Hmm.
The engine not on.
How'd you say the water was for the other campsite?
Yeah.
It would. Going too fast. This one's nice and peaceful. Don't let the peaceful water fool you. Still dangerous. Imagine I was poison ivy. It's not. Thank you. Okay. I try to come up to poke corner.
I think those are the door here.
Let's see a hat. Oh. Nice.
Eye patch.
He's going with it. Oh, he's done.
I slapped it.
You got a stick on your hand.
What?
Don't do that with a stick in your hand.
Oh my god, he'll hold that one. I can play make the different and we got in half.
You're gonna jump and poke your eye out. Come on, let me get the stick.
Oh, I don't do any.
It's too far apart.
You hold the stick for you. Hold your hat on because you're holding the light.
Oh, down you go. You okay?
I got my dog.
How many times you gonna get hurt today?
It's because the shoelaces are not tied.
Why is your shoelace not tied?
If you die, oh, I
Yay.
Mom, what is it?
There we go.
I don't even have to jump.
Oh my.
Oh, he hit the head.
Sorry guys. Watch out, Kodak.
Because no.
Come on.
Emma,
Go get it. It's gonna go rolling into the water.
I don't need midnight.
Cinderella, come on.
I don't need midnight.
No. It's almost 10. See our lights from here. There's the bathroom right there. Oh, that's my alarm again.
big one. It's on the table.
I will slap the grass. Sumo, I'm not going to.
Are we like next to the road or something? Yeah. Are those people here?
I thought mine's not that long. Hey, you stop.
Like some toasty like Granny.
Enjoy the softness.
Inside. Inside.
Oh, but taste burnt because all gets in the way.
It's good.
What?
I want it to be like this.
With the feet and a mama?
Perfect. I don't want it to be like this. It's like nothing there.
Alright.
I thought mama was there.
Alright, spoon table. In the cooler.
It's not like this in the dark. And
Marshmallow for Gucci. In honor of Gucci. 1 year in heaven.
Where?
Yeah, today or tomorrow.
Who made the house? My bad, mom.
Let me see. You got any?
No.
Yeah.
Get 3 more jumps.
I'm so close too, and I still can't get it.
What?
Oh.
What about you?
Mhm.
You?
I guess.
so the way this game is, just gotta make sure it stays.
Woo.
Two.
Gosh.
This is right.
Trying to chop it down.
Huh?
Trying to chop it.
I'm just trying to like, I want to make it go like this. That counts.
Daddy done. Mom.
Okay. Then I'll go.
Alright, I'm
Come
gonna
on, go
try.
there.
I'm gonna try this one.
Oh my. Eh.
No one's even close to the tent. Look at.
That's creepy.
I'm happy, Mom.
Our shadows casting in there.
The light.
Look, see, look at that.
When Lucas said it was moving, I was doing this.
Lucas, the shadows are all the way out here. They stretch. You see the shadows stretch? Oh my gosh.
Punch your shadow.
Look, the shadows go all the way up there.
Punching your shadow from.
Somebody close the tent for the mosquitoes going.
He was punching a shadow from a mile.
We're only ever coming here one time this year. This is it. This campground most likely. Because it's a little farther out. Can't be that many. You only got 2 days. Hammered it in. For bed. Finally ready for bed. Good night. Good night, good. Ready for bed. Good night. You got your lights. You got all this space. Where are you gonna sleep? So much space. In my bag. There. You wanna show them?
All day.
So they see it. If a ghost comes, then it'll go hide. Beep.
Hi. I don't know how.
There's bugs in here.
See that? No, the I don't do that. I already know.
You just. If the numbers go up.
I just clicked power. It's 0.
So there's nothing.
Well, if I put it to Lucas's. If I put it next to the phone.
Yeah, it'll go up.
Oh.
Electromagnetic field. Oh, that's pretty.
See that? What?
Oh, the bug's trying to get in. It's just moths
No, the minute. See that?
and little flies. Keep this cool. Somebody left this open. All these bugs are trying to get in. That's a pretty one. Maybe it's from Gucci. Flower.
There's a bunch of hide in the eye.
Probably mouse is out here tonight.
Mom.
Look, it's right here. Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
I
Aww.
see the bottom on there.
Why did it sound just like that thing? I see you. I think it's just people talking. Alright, scare him, Loki. Loki, stop. Carla? People walking with flashlights. Yeah.
Sure.
What if they come in to kill people? Mm-hmm. Where was it? It wasn't you? Oh my gosh. Yes. You hear that knocking? You awake, Sarah? Just asking. Can't remember how close the other campsite is next to it. 12:52. Almost. Almost one. Getting a headache? Just go to sleep. I say taking. Well, you got all this smoke and everything from the fire. Everybody's knocking out. It's a fox. It's a fox. It's a fox screaming. It's alright, Koda. It's a fox.
Alright, come on.
You're gonna scare everybody, Koda. You hear it?
Wasn't too much to touch.
It's alright, Koda. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Alright, shut up.
She's gonna try to save you. Okay? He did?
Yeah.
Hey, that's enough.
There's so many noises out here. It's the noisiest woods I've seen. Think that's a fire truck or something? Maybe it's that thing that goes off for tornadoes.
Huh?
Remember that thing that used to just go off for tornadoes when we leave the synagogue sometimes?
They don't have it. How much they do?
Well, we know it's not a tornado. Do you think it's that thing like that alarm out, like a tornado alarm that used to go off at the side of synagogue? Huh? 2:10.